Hello guys, now it's at the big field here in the farm, in the forest here. This is the uh, big land of the mango tree here. See over there, and I'm looking for fruit to eat before finding the insect. Okay, let's see if there is a mango fruit. Now I see only flower here. Okay, let's finding fruit together. Ooh, it's a banana. Okay, cool. Whoa, yeah, this is natural fruit. Okay, let's clean it. Let's clean it before eating. Yeah. Ooh, looking so nice. Mm. Mm. Very tasty. Mm. Best food in Cambodia. Mm. It's a dry season here, everyone. Okay, now let's find the secret place of this area with me, everyone. We're looking the animal inside this litter of the corn. So this corn mountain has already harvested inside this big land area here. Okay, let's looking inside this corn. Maybe there's some hidden here. Let's look around here. Ooh, it's a bag here. Oh, oh, what is it? Ooh, oh my god, everyone. It's a venom scorpion here inside a bottle, a water bottle here. Oh my god. Okay. Now how to let the scorpion outside here? We keep it here, and it will find where to come outside itself. Okay, right here. Wow, it's a venom scorpion here, everyone. Amazing. Amazing scorpion hiding here. Yes, right here. Put in the golden box here. Wow. Okay, now let's find it. Ooh, a lot of corn here. Ooh, ooh, oh my god. Ooh, ew. Something inside. Let's see what is it. Oh, it's a red millipede, everyone. They are red millipede. Oh my god. Wow, it's a group of red millipede here. For look at the view here, it's very big space, everyone. Oh. Look, a lot of corn on the ground here, everyone. So again, say hi. Oh, ooh, oh, ooh, a lot of red millipede here too. Oh, 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 many. Wow, that is scorpion alone here. It's a box here. Oh, it's. Ooh. Oh, nothing here. Oh, look at the, this look like a mountain. I call it a corn mountain here. Oh, there's nothing here. Oh, what is it? Oh, another bottle. Oh, everyone. This is also a scorpion. This also the venom scorpion inside a bottle here. Oh my god. Oh. Okay. Wow. I got 2 venom scorpion hiding inside a bottle here. Oh, yeah. Oh, there's our back here. Oh, but it's nothing. It's something. Yeah, yeah. Oh, nothing. With the mango here. Nowadays in the evening, everyone, around 4 to 5 p.m. Let's see it. This place. Ooh, it's very interesting. Ooh, ooh. Another bottle. Oh, everyone. It's a giant millipede. Oh my god. Ooh, it's a giant millipede closed up inside this bottle. Wow, very very amazing. But I don't know how to take it because it is bigger and we cannot take it like this. So now let's keep it here, and maybe next for some time it will come outside by itself. Ooh, it's a spider. Yes, spider. Ooh, another bottle. Oh, everyone. It's also a scorpion. Wow. A scorpion here also hiding inside this bottle. Okay, now let's bring it outside. Oh, this scorpion don't want. Okay, let's keep it like this and see when will he come from inside the bottle. Okay, now the scorpion come outside. Yeah, now we catch the scorpion. Okay. Okay, right here. Yes. Okay, put it here. 3 giant scorpion here. Okay, oh, over there is a corn tree that they just harvested a few days ago. And look around here. Oh, yeah, this is just harvested. Ooh, there's another bottle here, everyone. Oh my god. Let's see what is inside. Oh, it's also, wow, so many red millipede inside this bottle. Okay, now let's see how many. Ooh, there are a lot. Oh my god. Oh, still have some inside here. Oh my god, everyone. So many red millipede. Wow, what the scorpion here is very big and look very powerful. Ooh, so many red millipede. Ooh, my goodness. Wow. Ooh. at this. Ooh. Here the bottle. Ooh. I see another bottle here. Oh my god. Wow. Ooh. Oh. Everyone, look at here. Oh my god. Many red millipede. Oh my god. Wow. Can you count how many red millipede here? I think it's too many. Oh my god. Oh. Ooh. Unbelievable. Yeah, let's find another place. Whoa. Let's look into this hill. This top here. Oh, sorry. Oh, look at the corn here. Okay, let's give photo this inside here. Yeah, like this. A lot of corn inside. But there's nothing. This is the big farm, the big land of the mango and also corn. Oh, okay. Now it's start. The sun is going down. Let's move. Okay, let's going home. Okay, now let's see. Okay, now let's put it here. Check together. Ooh. Oh. Ooh. Okay, it's nothing. Wow. Look. Ooh. Wow. So maybe around hundreds of red millipede here, everyone. Unbelievable.